In the heart of a forgotten library, dust swirls beneath a single flickering bulb. An old typewriter sits abandoned, keys stained with time. Tonight, a faint tapping echoes through the silence, each key pressed by invisible hands. You step closer, breath held as icy air chills your spine. The carriage jerks, metal arms clatter, and a single sheet of yellowed paper unrolls. Letters appear, slow and deliberate. Do not leave at midnight. Your pulse pounds. The typewriter shudders and the lights stutter. Another line emerges. He is watching. A cold whisper slithers through the stacks. Shadows flicker. You turn, but no one is there. The typewriter resumes, each word louder, frantic. Run now. The clock strikes 12. The bulb bursts, plunging the room into darkness. A heavy presence presses against your chest. Footsteps scrape behind you, closer, closer. The typewriter hammers out one last warning, too late. You freeze as a shadow looms, impossibly tall, blocking the only exit. The typewriter falls silent, but the room is alive with whispers, promises that every warning comes true by midnight.